perfect for our teenage kids. Get them out of the house. Get them out of the house.
I just loved all of it. It's bright, it's airy, it's just clean lines. Really, I liked everything about it. It's compact. What I liked about it is I think it's inviting, like the look of it. That's what I was just saying, the look of it to me. It looks more like a home.
The biggest thing that I hear from most of the customers that have come through today, or potential customers, is how spacious and beautiful our cabins are. One thing that they're looking for is space. They also want it to be comfortable, and they really, really love the quality of our build. Our double glazed windows, our flooring options, and the fact that they can get a kitchenette and a bathroom in something that is only 30 square metres. So the great majority of people out there might only have a block that's 450, 550 square metres, or maybe 700, it's standard block. They want something that will fit comfortably on their block, and this ticks all the boxes. The other thing is, they say that they're very modern and they don't look like they are old-fashioned. They know that they can paint them in the colours to suit their house. They know that we do a lot of options and we can customise. So that's another big thing that they said they are so happy with, is that we can customise the designs to suit what they require, not just set designs and set prices. And I guess the last and final thing is the price point. I would have to say that 99% of the people I've spoken to this weekend have all said they cannot believe the price, that they are so economical. Most people think when I tell them this one is only $75,700, that is the kit price. When I say it includes plumbing and electrical and site costs on a flat block, they can't believe it. They're very impressed indeed with our price point. So I think we've done a pretty good job. We've ticked all the boxes.
Hi, as we draw to a close for the HIA show, it's day 3. It's been a wonderfully successful event for both Custom Creations and Easy Homes. We've had at least 800 people a day through our new Sicilia panorama, which we were fortunate enough to arrive in time and be able to set up over a 2-day period. As you can see, the feedback has been absolutely wonderful, and we're looking forward to many happy prospective customers out of the show. So it's been great, and it's been wonderful to be part of it.